Hey everybody, Bruce here with a video on two of the functions that are in the math library called ceil and floor. So let me show them to you. So I'm going to print out math dot, and then I'm going to type in ceil, and then I'm going to take a floating point number, let's say 5.666, right? 6. There you go. So it's a floating point number or decimal number that has four numbers after the decimal place, right? So if I run this, okay, up in the upper right hand corner, the new play button, it's going to come out and say it's rounded up to 6, right? Or the ceiling up, right? The ceiling, if we look up at the ceiling, it's rounding the number up. And I can do this now, print math.floor, right? 5.6666, right? And if I save that and I run it, it comes out to be 5, right? So is this making sense to you? You can use these two math library functions, ceil and floor, to either raise a number to the next highest whole number or bring it down to the number, the whole number here, which would be 5, right? So if you, let me just do two more, print math.ceil, and notice the type ahead in Visual Studio Code. It knows these functions already, and now I'll do 5.4, right? And then let's run it. So I saved it. I'm going to go up to the play button, okay? And there we go. You see what we have right down here in the terminal? We have, where is it? We have, did I run it? Let me just do that one more time. Okay, we have 6. So what happened? Everyone, what happened? What happened there? Why did it go to 6 when I have 5.4? It's because we went to the ceiling, which goes up no matter what the decimal is, right? So let me do one more. Print math.floor, right, of 5.4. And where do you think that's going to go? Let me click on the play button. And look at that, it went down to 5. I hope this video helps. It was inspired by a question in the Slack questions channel. So many thanks to that student for asking that awesome question. Have a great day, everybody.